Chopping veggies takes too long, and who needs a big food processor with complicated pieces that are hard to clean? Introducing the new Red Copper Chopper, the rechargeable and cordless mini food chopper that makes meal prep super fast and easy. Here's how it works. Just put on the top and press the button. To chop, dice, or mince anything as fine as you want. The razor-sharp copper-coated blades are super strong and durable. In slow motion, watch how these blades easily shred through these thick carrots. They can even grind rock-hard coffee beans into powder. Now that's a good grind. No plugs needed. Just add the ingredients, attach the motorized lid, and watch the copper blades go to work to make a delicious sauce. It's easy to chop fruits, mince your favorite vegetables, and dice any meat with virtually no effort. Grind walnuts faster than ever before. Perfect for cookies or a salad topper. Now you can finally mince fresh garlic without the odor. And there's no more tears chopping onions. Put in avocados, onions, and tomatoes, then give them a spin for a tasty guacamole spread. Even make a fresh hummus dip. Or chop peppers and tomatoes for garden fresh salsa. And ham, peppers, and onions diced together make for a tasty Western omelet. The Red Copper Chopper is rechargeable and portable, so you can use it on the go. It's perfect for picnics, on the boat, the RV, camping, and more. Plus, the container is dishwasher safe and can store away in even the smallest space.